Next one. If root 3 sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0, find the value of theta. So, this is given. Root 3 sin theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. One equation is given. So, from here we can write root 3 sin theta as cos theta. Take minus cos theta to the other side, then it become cos theta. Okay. So, from here we can write root 3 as cos theta by sin theta. Okay. Sin is taking other side. But what is cos by sin? Cos by sin is cot theta. So, cot theta we are getting root 3. Cot theta is root 3. What value of theta? It becomes root 3. Okay, cot of how much is root 3? Cot of which angle is root 3? See, tan 30, 1 by root 3, tan 60, root 3, cot 30, root 3, cot 60, 1 by root 3. So, cot 30 is root 3. So, theta we will get 30 degree. Question is, what is the value of theta? Simple question. Next one, in figure ABCD is a rectangle. See, ABCD is a rectangle, and in figure it is given that the length part is 60 cm and breadth is 30 cm. AP and AQ are two line segments drawn like this. And here this angle is given 30 degree, this is given 30 degree. Question is, find the length of AP plus AQ. See, AP is one side of this particular triangle. AQ is one side of this particular triangle. Okay. So, you have to consider that two triangles. Both the triangles are right triangles since ABCD is a rectangle. So, we are considering triangle ABP first. With respect to 30, this is the angle given. With respect to 30, given side is opposite. 30 opposite is 60 and we want AP, that is the hypotenuse. See? With respect to 30, it is the opposite and we want hypotenuse. So, we have to take sine ratio. Sine 30 is opposite, that is AB divided by hypotenuse. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 is 60 divided by AP. So, while cross multiplying, you will get AP is equal to 2 into 60, 120 centimeter. Now you consider the second triangle, triangle ADQ. There, this is the angle given. With respect to 30, again it is the opposite side. The given side is the opposite side and we want AQ, it is the hypotenuse. So, again you have to use sine ratio. Sine 30 opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine 30 1 by 2 is 30 divided by AQ. Cross multiply, you will get AQ is equal to 60 centimeter. Question is, find the length of AP plus AQ. What is AP plus AQ? AP you got 120, AQ got 60, so it is 180 centimeter. Okay.